Crypto Billionaire CZ reveals the only way to fight increasing inflation levels. Crypto billionaire and founder of Binance, Changpeng CZ has proposed crypto as a way to fight inflation. Fellow billionaire Michael Saylor chimed in the discourse to point at Bitcoin as a perfect inflation hedge. Two billionaires proposed crypto to fight inflation. In a tweet, the crypto billionaire asserted that inflation was an unassailable opponent to contend with. However, one did not have to fight against inflation when there is crypto to be had. You can't beat inflation, but you won't have to fight it when you only have crypto. CZ said the assertion attracted the attention of the founder of MicroStrategy, the biggest institutional investor in Bitcoin, Michael Saylor. Saylor stated that one only had to ride on Bitcoin to remain unaffected by inflation. Set your Bitcoin sail and let the winds of inflation carry you, Michael Saylor commented. The two crypto billionaires' discourse has been warranted by the recently published inflation statistics in the U.S. According to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, inflation in the U.S. for December reached a 39-year high. The data showed that year-over-year, prices of consumer items climbed 7% in December. The surge was primarily driven by an increased cost of energy, housing, used cars, and food. The 7% increase marks the fastest year-over-year increase of U.S. inflation since 1982. December, while being a new high in recent inflation, is not the only month that has printed alarming inflation figures. Inflation rate exceeded 5% for 8 consecutive months last year, and according to projections may continue to rise in 2022. If we see inflation persisting at high levels longer than expected, and we have to raise interest rates more over time, we will, Powell said. Is Bitcoin a reliable inflation hedge? The Bitcoin price volatility that accompanied the Fed announcement has made some observers in the traditional market question if Bitcoin is a reliable inflation hedge. However, Bitcoin proponents such as Michael Saylor, Bill Miller, and Ray Dalio do not doubt the store of value properties of Bitcoin as they have shown in their investment strategies. Despite short-term volatility, Bitcoin has performed impressively over the long term. This is why more institutional investors, high-net-worthy individuals, and even retail traders have been showing an increased preference for Bitcoin over fiat currencies.